Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of environmental studies, our today's topic of discussion is National Monsoon Mission. So under the National Monsoon Mission, Ministry of Earth Sciences have developed a state-of-art weather and climate prediction models which are now in operational use. These models include models for short range to medium range, that is 1 to 10 days, extended range up to 10 days to 30 days, and seasonal up to one season. The models developed under National Monsoon Mission, also known as NMM, have shown very high skill in predicting important weather events on different time scales during the last 3 years. The overall objective of National Monsoon Mission is to improve the monsoon prediction over India on all time scales, and hence it is implemented for the whole country, which includes all states and union territories. So following are the targets of Monsoon Mission. First one is to develop a seamless prediction system using monsoon mission model on different time scales like seasonal for whole monsoon season, extended up to 4 weeks, and short range prediction up to 5 days. Initiate and coordinate working partnership between India and foreign institutes to develop a system for prediction of extremes and climate applications. Develop and implement systems for climate prediction having social impacts such as agriculture, food, forest, food forecast, extreme events forecast, wind energy, etc. Advanced data assimilation system for preparing high quality data for model prediction. Major achievements of NMM during the last 3 years, that is 2017, 17, 18, 18, 19 and 1920 are setting up an advanced prediction system for seasonal prediction, extended range prediction and very high resolution short range prediction, commissioning of a global assembled forecast system, that is GEFS, for short and medium range prediction at 12 km. A remarkable improvement in the skill of forecast, especially in the short to medium range, has been noticed. The cyclone track and intensity prediction have shown a steady improvement over the last 3 years. The operationalization of monsoon mission dynamical model, that is monsoon mission coupled forecasting system, also known as MFCFS, to prepare operational seasonal forecast to monsoon rainfall and temperatures during the hot and cold weather seasons over India. Use of MMCFS, an extended range prediction system for preparing regional seasonal forecast. Outlook for South Asian under WMO recognized Regional Climate Center and South Asian Seasonal Climate Outlook Forum, that is SAS COF activities. Development of an algorithm to monitor and predict the monsoon interseasonal oscillations, that is also abbreviated as MESO, and modern Julian oscillation, that is MJO, on the extended range. Development of an index to predict the genesis and evolution of tropical cyclones and other cyclonic distributions over North Indian Ocean. Probabilistic quantitative precipitation forecast over all the Indian river basins which have been operationally implemented. Probabilistic, that is percentile based forecast for extreme wind precipitation have been established. GFS or GEFS forecasts have been extensively used to provide guidance to forest fire possibility and also to renewable energy sectors, namely wind and solar. Development of high resolution regional reanalysis product, Indian monsoon data assimilation and analysis, that is IMDAA, at very high resolution of 12 kilometers. Several scientists have been trained for modeling and forecast through monsoon mission program, and capacity building activities have been done through targeted trainings. Ministry of Earth Sciences have received several project proposals from various international institutes for funding this monsoon mission. The scientific review and monitoring capacity, that is SRMC, of monsoon mission reviewed those proposals and recommended the proposals which are relevant to monsoon mission objectives and are useful for prediction of Indian monsoon and extreme weather conditions. The research and development and operational services activities of Ministry of Environmental Sciences in respect of weather and climate related phenomena are being addressed by one of the umbrella schemes known as across which is also across which is full form is atmospheric and climate research, that is modeling, observing and systems and services. The entire gamut of weather and climate prediction involves a simulation of meteorological observations, understanding the process and research and development of dynamical models and providing the forecast services. Each of these aspects is incorporated as sub-scheme under the umbrella scheme across and is being implemented through Indian Meteorological Department and Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, and National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting. The overriding objective of scheme is as follows: to conduct R&D for improving forecast of weather, climate and other hazardous events in real time for the delivery of reliable weather and climate services, which requires augmentation of observations and their assimilation into weather and climate models, understanding the physical process through field campaigns, developing and running of high-resolution models for given forecasting all the scales, translating science to service and its delivery to society, improving and acquiring the required infrastructure. The sub-schemes of this mission is there are 9 sub-schemes under across, which are as follows: commissioning of volumetric Doppler weather radars, upgradation of forest systems, weather and climate services, atmospheric observation networks, numerical modeling of weather and climate, monsoon mission 2, including high resolution global assembled forecast system, monsoon convention, clouds and climate change, Center for Climate Change Research including Virtual Water Center, physics and dynamics of tropical clouds, atmospheric research testbed for process studies and national climate reference network, metro air quality and weather services, high performance computing systems and national facility of airborne research. So this was all about National Monsoon Mission. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.